Welcome to the Winter Wilderness, folks. Today, I'm throwing down the ultimate winter survival challenge. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. So picture this. You're out in the snowy wild with just your wits and gear. Are you ready to test your skills and knowledge? First things first, let's talk about the importance of preparation. In winter camping, being prepared isn't just smart, it's crucial. You need to know how to survive in harsh conditions. So let's dive right in and cover the essentials. Setting up camp is your first line of defense against the cold. Choosing the right spot for your shelter is vital. Look for a flat area, away from avalanche zones, and protected from the wind. Once you've found your spot, it's time to build a shelter. A simple snow trench or a quinsy can be incredibly effective. Pack the snow, let it harden, then hollow it out. Voila! A snug, warm shelter. Now let's talk gear. Your winter camping kit should include an insulated sleeping bag, a sturdy tent, a survival bivvy, and a reliable stove. All these are your lifelines in the cold. Staying warm and dry is next on our list. Layering is key. Start with moisture-wicking base layers, add insulating layers, and finish with a waterproof, windproof outer layer. Remember, cotton is a no-go. It holds moisture and will chill you to the bone. Hydration is also crucial. Believe it or not, you can get dehydrated quickly in the cold. Melt snow safely by boiling it, and always keep your water bottle insulated. Keeping your body warm isn't just about gear, though. Stay active to keep your blood flowing. Eat calorie-rich foods to fuel your body. Think nuts, cheese, and chocolate. And always be on the lookout for signs of hypothermia, uncontrollable shivering, slurred speech, and confusion. If you spot these, take action immediately. Navigating the winter landscape can be tricky. Learn to read the snow. Fresh snow is unstable. Packed snow is safer. Watch out for avalanche signs like cracks or a hollow sound underfoot. Using a map and compass in snowy conditions is a must. Practice your navigation skills before heading out. And remember, landmarks can look different under a blanket of snow. Finally, know how to signal for help. A distress beacon can be a lifesaver. Use a whistle to make noise. 3 blasts is the universal distress call. And always let someone know your plans before you head out. All right, folks, let's wrap it up. Remember, practice makes perfect. Get comfortable with these skills before you venture into the wilderness. Share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Stay safe, stay warm, and happy camping. Catch you next time.